as the mayor, I hereby declare the Tunisian archaeological exhibit open.
Yes, thank you. Yes.
Whoa. We got a breach headed towards the medieval section.
Roger that. We're preparing to engage. Over.
Put your hands up, boy.
Don't move a muscle.
And after that, they just up and arrested him.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, that's when I decided I should probably get a different job. I figured night guarding is much less dangerous than driving a... Crap.
Wait.
No, Johnny! Officer down, repeat, officer down!
Wave goodbye to your head, Waker. Sir, place your hands where I can see them. If you do not comply, I will be forced to fire upon you. You leave me no choice, sir. Sir, place your hands where I can see. Sir, place your hands where I can. Bribery is a federal offense, sir. Sir, place your hands where I can see them.